Try again.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Dry your hands.
Dry your hands.
Come inside.
Come inside.
He's not home.
He's not home.
Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Don't run.
Don't run.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Just relax.
Just relax.
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
You dropped this.
You dropped this.
Hold this.
Hold this.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Come fast.
Come fast.
Stand straight.
Stand straight.
Tie your shoes.
Tie your shoes.
It's too late.
It's too late.
It's raining.
It's raining.
Get your umbrella.
Get your umbrella.
He's sleeping.
He's sleeping.
She's laughing.
She's laughing.
He is crying.
He is crying.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Let me do it.
Let me do it.
Stop shouting.
Stop shouting.
Don't lie.
Don't lie.
Be nice.
Be nice.
I trust you.
I trust you.
Time is up.
Time is up.
Follow me.
Follow me.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Bring it here.
Bring it here.
Throw it away.
Throw it away.
Be polite in school.
Be polite in school.
Listen to your teacher.
Listen to your teacher.
Share your things.
Share your things.
Take care of your belongings.
Take care of your belongings.
Learn something new today.
Learn something new today.
Have a great day at school.
Have a great day at school.
How was school today?
How was school today?
Did you eat your lunch?
Did you eat your lunch?
Who did you play with?
Who did you play with?
What game did you play?
What game did you play?
Did you help your friends?
Did you help your friends?
Did you read a book?
Did you read a book?
What did your teacher say?
What did your teacher say?
Did you sing any songs?
Did you sing any songs?
What subject did you enjoy most?
What subject did you enjoy most?
Did you go to the playground?
Did you go to the playground?
What story did the teacher tell?
What story did the teacher tell?
Did you answer any questions?
Did you answer any questions?
Did you do any drawing?
Did you do any drawing?
What did you write in your notebook?
What did you write in your notebook?
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
Let's take off your shoes.
Let's take off your shoes.
Wash your hands first.
Wash your hands first.
Change into comfy clothes.
Change into comfy clothes.
Put your bag in the right place.
Put your bag in the right place.
Do you want a snack?
Do you want a snack?
Tell me everything.
Tell me everything.
You must be tired.
You must be tired.
Let's rest for a while.
Let's rest for a while.
Would you like some juice?
Would you like some juice?
Let's sit and talk.
Let's sit and talk.
Want to watch a cartoon?
Want to watch a cartoon?
Let's not make a mess.
Let's not make a mess.
Did you miss me?
Did you miss me?
I missed you a lot.
I missed you a lot.
Let's keep your books on the table.
Let's keep your books on the table.
Want to cuddle for a bit?
Want to cuddle for a bit?
You did well today.
You did well today.
Let's read a story together.
Let's read a story together.
Let's listen to some music.
Let's listen to some music.
Let's start your homework.
Let's start your homework.
Show me your notebook.
Show me your notebook.
What's your first subject?
What's your first subject?
Let's do it one by one.
Let's do it one by one.
Hold your pencil properly.
Hold your pencil properly.
Don't forget your helmet.
Don't forget your helmet.
Don't push or shout.
Don't push or shout.
Read the question carefully.
Read the question carefully.
Can you solve this math problem?
Can you solve this math problem?
Let's fix the mistake.
Let's fix the mistake.
Wake up, sleepyhead. It's time for school.
Wake up, sleepyhead. It's time for school.
Let's make your bed.
Let's make your bed.
Let's brush your teeth.
Let's brush your teeth.
Wash your face, please.
Wash your face, please.
Get. I know you.
I know you.
Don't overeat.
Don't overeat.
Don't play in the rain.
Don't play in the rain.
Blindfold him.
Blindfold him.
She spilled the milk.
She spilled the milk.
Show me your card.
Show me your card.
Go upstairs.
Go upstairs.
She spilled.
She spilled.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Wake up now.
Wake up now.
Come here.
Come here.
Go outside.
Go outside.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch that.
Eat slowly.
Eat slowly.
Speak louder.
Speak louder.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Close the window.
Close the window.
Turn off the light.
Turn off the light.
Turn on the fan.
Turn on the fan.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Be quiet.
Be quiet.